In a world where space and time are intertwined, one man dared to challenge the status quo. His name? Dayton Miller. His weapon of choice? A flute. But not just any flute. This instrument held the power to unleash the ether, a pervasive medium once thought to fill the universe. Miller, a physicist by trade, a musician at heart, discovered a harmonic resonance within the ether. He found that his flute, when played with precision, could manipulate this elusive medium. His melodies, a symphony of science, had the potential to shift the very fabric of reality. However, a sinister force lurked in the shadows. The Einsteinian demons. These creatures thrived in the distortion of space-time, causing chaos and disruption. In a world where space and time are intertwined, one man dared to challenge the status quo.
All right, hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to the Friday Community Twitter Space. We're going to be joining the lads here in a second. Tap in with them, see what they are up to.
Is the light from the sun blue then? Or why is the sky blue?
What color is the sky when the sun is gone?
Black.
There you go.
So why does it get blue when the sun comes around?
Because you're below the light source.
So why does it get blue though?
Because it's reflecting the waters off the waters. Where did God put the firmament?
It's reflecting the waters off the water.
Where did God put the firmament?
In the waters.
Wait, can you explain the first thing you said before we go to the firmament part? It's reflecting the waters off the waters?
What color is water?
Clear.
Clear is not a color.
Right.
The ocean.
So if
Water doesn't have a color.
The oceans are blue.
It's translucent.
Yeah.
Okay,
You put it in your hand. As a whole, what color is it?
Let's take this more into a greenhouse. Okay, so let's go and look at how plants thrive in what's called
refracted. That's what you see. That's why it turns red when the sun goes down in the fucking horizon.
Thank
because
you.
that red wavelength is refracted through all those tiny water particles in the atmosphere.
Okay.
That are held in the atmosphere by gravity, which is one of the most I don't understand how you
does
guys
a
even
drop
come up with
of
this shit.
water does a
Why
drop
did
of
Jaren,
water
hold on, I want to hear this shit about Jaren going to the South
produce
Pole
a
and disproving
prism?
all of you and you're coping and seething about it.
Does a drop of water
Because he was
not
your guy,
produce
right?
a prism? Does a drop of water not produce a prism, all 7 neutral colors, or RGB, whichever one you want to go with? So a droplet of water, what you call translucent, when light goes through it, there's refraction. Refraction now is going to give us a color of the spectrum. Okay, so because of the way that the sun is and the angle of the sun, when it hits one droplet of water, it reflects the blue spectrum between December 21st and July 21st. July 21st to December 21st, the sun refracts in a magenta red color. So now we can go to a greenhouse. We can go to farmers. We can go to anyone in horticulture and we can ask them, what color is the sun during the spring and summer months versus the fall and winter months? They're 2 different spectrums. You can actually go and Google in a greenhouse, what is the best color light for me to grow and what is the best color light for me to flower? And it'll tell you blue light for growing, yellow.
All right, and that concludes the Friday night community Twitter space. See you guys on, what are we doing? Tuesday. See you guys on Tuesday. Peace.